Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today I'm going to be introducing a very unique suspension system. This is the Carli Suspension 3-inch setup for the 2013 and newer Ram 3500 Air Assist trucks. Simply put, this is the best purpose-built suspension system for the Ram 3500 Air Assist trucks. Now the Air Assist truck is a very unique platform. It has a factory bed capacity of just about 6,000 pounds, which is insane. It uses a super thick 2-spring factory leaf pack and has a huge set of airbags connected to it. Now this allows you to adjust the rear ride height of the truck based upon your trailer or your load. This is something a lot of guys have been happy about and something a lot of customers have even been ordering. However, this setup actually rides terrible. From the factory, you get a lot of feedback from the rear, and it's something you almost expect with a truck that has that kind of weight capacity. However, Carli Suspension set out to build a very unique soft ride system that still maintains that capacity. So they partnered with King shocks as well as Diva springs to build a leaf pack that still maintains that capacity, and pair that up with the custom tuned King shocks in Carli fashion. So again, this setup still uses the same 3-inch components from all the other kits that we've highlighted: the coil springs, the radius arm drops, track bar, sway bar drops, and as well as all their upgrades like the torsion sway bar as well as the fabricated radius arms, and then pairs it with this custom leaf spring pack that maintains the capacity but still allows the rear end to work a little bit better. And what I mean by that is you're taking a leaf spring pack that is initially 2 very thick springs from the factory, and you're breaking it up amongst a lot thinner and a lot more springs. So what this allows you to do is when you hit a dip, freeway expansion joints, railroad tracks, things like that, the suspension moves a lot more, but it still maintains that capacity that you see from factory. So we're really excited about this kit. I really think it is an industry first to my knowledge. Again, it's not a system that's been grafted to work on an Air Assist truck. It really is a suspension system that was designed for the Air Assist trucks. Again, these shocks are not just a King shock that you would buy off, say, Summit or a website like that. These are a custom tuned King shock. So it uses Carli's very own piston in the shocks, and they've all been upgraded with stainless shafts and the better seals that King offers. So it really is a complete package and a top-of-the-line package for a top-of-the-line truck. So yeah, if you have purchased one of these Ram Air Assist 3500 trucks, this is an excellent suspension setup for you. Your suspension travels increase, your ground clearance is increased, the ride is improved both on and off the highway, you can fit bigger tires, and again, it is a complete suspension system designed specifically for the unique truck you purchased. So yeah, if this is a kit you're interested in, click the link down below, shoot us a phone call, send us an email, or even comment down below with more questions. Again, we'd be happy to help you out. This is an in-stock system. And yeah, stay tuned for more highlights on unique suspension systems out there. We are hoping to bring the most knowledgeable information on these very unique platforms. Thanks for watching.